I like doing laundry.
Oh, that's the dryer.
What do I need to do now?
I think you've got to put that in the washer.
What do you mean?
That's right.
In the hole?
No, that's the middle part. Just in the basin. Okay, now it goes in the box, and the clothes go in.
I need some help with that.
No problem. Get started.
I can't believe it.
What's
that for?
That's the dryer.
Dry?
You're going to put all these clothes in there. Let's get it going.
Then you have to wash them and then dry them?
Yes. That's how it goes, right? So we have large, cold, and we're doing color. So can you put them in there?
Large, cold.
And we can start you know what? Maybe we can put some water in. You know, close that lid and it'll put water in. Yeah, now the water's starting. So you want to go ahead and grab some clothes and throw them in.
Where do you need to throw them in?
Grab some. Throw them in. You'll see. That's how it works. Yeah. It's filling up with water, and it's making soapy water, because we put soap in it, remember? Yeah? The stuff in the box, that was soap.
Soap?
Yeah.
That doesn't even look like soap.
Well, it's going to be when it mixes with water, right? Can you look in there? Is it soapy? It's soapy.
That's very. Not on this side.
Well, it could be that cold water, too. Okay. Let's get some clothes in there.
Bubbles everywhere.
Now it's bubbles everywhere.
Now we can put these in first.
Okay. Scoop them up like a big dump truck. Squish them in there. There you go.
How big is job? Come on, get in there.
Need a hand? Oh, you got it. Excellent. Got just a few more. Oh. And then you want to shut the door, and we'll wait for it to get done, and then we'll put them in the dryer. You did it.
I can't believe I did that.